What's the meaning of beatitude? Beatitude. Beatitude.
Beatitude. Beatitude. Beatitude refers to a state of supreme happiness or blessedness, often associated with spiritual or religious enlightenment. The term originates from the Latin word beatus, meaning happy or blessed. In various religions and belief systems, the attainment of beatitude is considered an ultimate goal, achievable through acts of devotion, meditation, or other spiritual practices. In Christianity, beatitudes are seen as teachings of Jesus that describe the qualities of those who will experience blessings in the afterlife. The concept of beatitude also extends beyond religious contexts and can refer to any state of profound contentment or joy. Ultimately, beatitude represents a state of being characterized by profound peace and fulfillment.